welcome back to my channel, and today we have an Aliexpress haul, diamond painting haul. I had some customs made. I don't know where I put the drills. I had already separated them. They're in a bag or a tote bag somewhere, so unfortunately I won't be able to show you the drills. But what I really wanted to show you is the canvases, because these canvases that I had custom made, I had purchased from the artist these images. She is a fellow YouTuber. Her name is Kim. She made these AI images, and I guess enough people started asking her where she was getting the images from, and turns out she was creating them herself. So they are her own artwork. So if you go on her channel and you buy her a coffee and ask for the image, she will send you an image for $5, I think it was. So I sent her 15 and I bought 3 images. So we'll do those first, and then I have 2 canvases that I placed orders for. Here's the first one Kim made. I don't remember what she had named these, so I'm really sorry for that. She got these, her personal images, when she made them into diamond paintings. They are much larger, but I didn't want to do them that big. I had a feeling they were going to have confetti in them, so I got them into 30 by 40. So this is 27 colors. 1 through 9 is 1 through 9, and 10 through 27 is A through S. And she's so pretty. This is different. So this is the first image. Here's the second image. I think this one's called Lola. I could be wrong. 1 through 27. 1 through 9 is 1 through 9. 10 through 27 is A through S. Isn't she cute? And you could get these images also if you're interested in them, but you have to buy her a copy. And here's the other one. She's different looking. I don't know what I like about this one so much, but I liked it. I saw Kim's finished piece and I loved it. She was super adorable. And these are very cartoony for AI. I haven't seen any AI images like this, so I'm really excited to have them in my stash. Don't know when I'm going to be working on them. I'll keep them for a rainy day. So let's put them aside. Sorry I don't have the drills, guys. The drills are somewhere around my room, and I don't really want to look for them. Okay, I got some more portraits of some ladies, some pop girls. These are poured glue. Thank God. Thank God for that. $30 by 40s. Look at her. She's kind of retro. 1 through 29 colors. 1 through 9 is 1 through 8 is 1 through 9. 2 through 9. 1 is 2, 2 is 3, 3 is 4, 8 is number 9. 9 is letter A down to number 29, which is V. These are pre-bagged drills. Thank God. Here's a picture of our lady. How retro she is. She's cool. Here's another 30 by 40. Here's a girl with a sun hat on and some shades. I love this. This is 28 colors. There are ABs, I believe, in this. 2. Were there ABs in the other one? There was 2 ABs in the first one I showed you also. Here's our girl. I'm excited. Pre-bagged jewels. think she looks stunning. I think she's going to be fun to do. She's definitely different. I don't have anything like her in my stash. Or this one. I don't have anything like this one either. She's really pretty. And I'm curious to see what ABs. We're going to leave that as a surprise. So, we have these two female portraits. Then we have the customs that I purchased the artwork from the artist. Very cute. So guys, I hope you enjoyed that brief little AliExpress haul. Sorry it was so quick. I misplaced my drills. So but hope you enjoyed seeing some diamond paintings. I haven't really shown any diamond paintings on this channel in quite some time. I kind of took a break from buying them. There just really hasn't been too much out there that I wanted. So when I saw a lot of these, I just grabbed them, or they were already in my wish list. So if you're enjoying the content, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And without further ado, I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend, a wonderful Memorial Day, and a wonderful day or night wherever you are. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.